Just when you think things are crazy, we had an earthquake this morning, a pretty big one. Hey, I'm Dr. Dave, the RV Dummy. Thanks for being back with me. I got some things to cover with you in this crazy week or several weeks we've been having. Coronavirus, financial markets crashing. Just when you think things can't get worse, we woke up in Salt Lake City this morning with a 5.7 earthquake. Epicenter was only 5 to 10 miles away from where we live right here. It's crazy. The whole house was shaking. I was scared to death. I'm from the East Coast. I never really experienced anything like this, but what it taught me was, something, when you think things are bad, crazier things can happen. And I've done the last few episodes talking about what to do about your RV trips and the coronavirus and what can happen and things to be careful with. And then we wake up to this crazy earthquake where the house was literally shaking. I was downstairs. Yoko was upstairs with Boo Boo, our cat. And I literally thought there was a very good chance the house was going to fall apart. That's how much it was shaking. Now, luckily, there was no damage. As far as we know, there was no damage to any houses as far as I can see around here. But when you're standing in a house and the whole structure feels like it's shaking, and chandeliers, and we don't really have chandeliers, but like light fixtures and all the things that are hanging are all moving around violently, you really start to feel weird and scared and not knowing really even what to do. So I was going to say it's all over. It's not really over. We've had a ton of aftershocks. They say over 50 aftershocks so far. Yoko and I were just eating lunch, and there was like a 4.3, 4.4 magnitude aftershock. And that's more than a lot of regular earthquakes. And the house started shaking again. So one thing I'm learning from this is that no matter what we're doing, whether we're in our RV like I am right now, and by the way, we're even considering sleeping in the RV tonight somewhere. We're just not sure what we want to do. The aftershocks are scary. We need to be prepared for whatever is possible. And without going overboard, you just need to be ready. And again, with the coronavirus, we are washing our hands whenever we touch anything. Walk into the house, if you're in your RV, if you go outside into the world and touch anything, when you come back into your RV, make sure you disinfect your hands. Make sure if you need to clean your clothes, whatever you need to do. But we need to stay clean, because if we touch something and then you touch your mouth, your nose, your eyes, whatever it might be, some type of mucous membrane, you could get the virus if you touch something that was infected. So we got to be careful. This earthquake just adds another layer of craziness to what's going on. I've heard some crazy stories about everything's closing. I'm not talking about the earthquake now. I'm talking about due to the virus, mainly all over the country. And schools are closing now for the year. People are going to be out of work. People are not going to be able to have daycare when they need it. I am scared. Those of you that are minimizing it and say it's going to pass really quickly, I don't think it's going to pass quickly. It will pass. It will pass, but I don't think it's going to pass quickly. And in the meantime, we've got to be ready for whatever life throws at us, because I think there's going to be some craziness, and we just got to get together. We're a great RV community. I'm doing frequent videos on this because, again, things are changing. Like I said yesterday, things are changing day to day. When I was hiking in that beautiful canyon yesterday with Yoko, I never thought for a second we'd wake up to an earthquake. So we've got to be ready. We've got to be vigilant. But remember, let's keep our cool. Be careful. Postpone that RV trip right now if it's not absolutely necessary, unless you're going to a totally safe place, unless you're 100% confident. We're postponing trips. I don't even know what's going to happen financially, or whether businesses and including campgrounds are going to be open. This is crazy. It's kind of unprecedented. I don't remember anything like this in my life. So we got to stick together, guys. We're in a community of RVers. Let's help each other out. I'm here for you. If I need your help, I'm going to probably ask you for some help as well. But let's keep it a tight-knit community. Comment, ask questions, help others. I'm here for you guys, and I know you're here for me. Until next time, I'm Dr. Dave, and yes, I am the RV dummy who sometimes may be feeling dummier and dummier. I know that's not a word. I know. Every day. Okay. Peace. Talk to you soon. Bye.